Hey, it's Cody from Tri-State RV, and here is the XLR Boost 27 QB. Power jack up front. This is a wide body, 102 inch. Stock number 2017, 2018 leftover. Nice, good stairs, mag wheels. Chair in this unit. Big queen size bed overall. Nice couch that flips into a bed. Battery disconnect, TV included. Good size refrigerator. Walk up front. Nice corner shower here. You got the Jack and Jill entrance into the bedroom. Wardrobes on both sides. This unit is gen prepped. Does not have a generator in it, but it is gen prepped. The Boost 27 QB.